here to do the official iPhone XS and XS Max unboxing.
Yeah, this nigga all up on me with this goddamn camera. Goddamn, nigga, back the fuck up.
You have J3.
Goddamn, nigga, move, nigga, goddamn.
You have A Rhodes.
Let me text this nigga. We gotta get another camera, man. This nigga is all up in the goddamn show.
Introducing YBC Technologies.
This nigga got on shorts. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'm talking to you on my new iPhone. Yeah, nigga, you know, nigga, I got you. All right, yeah. Oh, I feel good, man. I got my new phone. I got. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I tripped. Oh, nigga, I gotta take a shit. Oh.
iPhone XS Max Edition. XS Max Extra Large Edition. Here we have a box. It's a wonderful box. It's iPhone box. But I can't do this, Joe.
All right. Well, yeah, I guess. Okay. Well, I'm here now. So yeah, let's do this.
Just sit down.
All right. Yeah. All right. So, guys, look, we have a box here, and we have plastic on the box. We're gonna just gonna. Yeah, we're just gonna rip that right off, and we're gonna take the plastic off. All right. So now, guys, iPhone time. We're gonna take the box off. Is this a disappointment?
This is a nice box.
Designed by Apple in California. Here we go, guys. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the iPhone
XS Max Edition.
All right. So as we can see, this phone is as golden as I am. Me and this phone are the same color right now, not the screen. The screen is black. I am not black. As you can see, I'm hairy. My hair is black.
Oh, put that back.
We're just gonna put that back down in there. That was that phone. So we're gonna put that all back.
6.5.
Here we go. Put that back on nice and tight. Ooh, oh, okay. We got it in there.
Oh, get the other one.
We got. Okay, guys, we're gonna grab the other one now.
The iPhone XS.
One. Yes, guys. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the moment with the plastic. We're gonna get that right off. We're just gonna get that right off. Okay, we're gonna take all that plastic off. Nice and easy, right? iPhone reveal time.
It's iPhone XS, it's really the iPhone 10 2.0.
Right?
It's the same phone as the last one.
Yes.
But people are gonna buy it. The phone.
This is, guys, this is the best thing. There's more plastic. It never stops. And here, as you can see, this phone, it has a back to it. It has words on it. It has a camera. And get this, guys. Get this. It has buttons on the side. There are 3 buttons on the side, guys. 3 buttons. There are actually 3 buttons on the side, guys. And it's black. Okay, I'm getting my smudgy fingers on it. My fingers are a little dirty. Sorry, I just got done doing some things.
Put it back.
I'm gonna. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. We're gonna get this back on here, nice and tight. We're just gonna go ahead and
put it back.
Go. Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys. All right. Like and subscribe.
Sorry, my hair.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
I done dodged all the ops. done shook all the spots. I done gave a nigga props who didn't work for the spot. That nigga dead, that's a casualty. My girl filed like the Texas heat. Old thing, start texting me. She not replying, man, I can't be reached. Stop your line, you so deadly. Bump and grind, R. Kelly. Slow it down.